Shamba Shape-Up introduced Evans to a new way of rice production called System of Rice Intensification, or SRI. It needs less water and less seed and produces higher yields for more profit. When we come to fertilizing the crop, rice farmers usually use a method called broadcasting, which is throwing the fertilizer onto the watered crop.
Is there any problem with broadcasting system?
Yes, there are so many problems, but the key major problems are, one, it is not environmentally friendly when you broadcast. Second, you use a lot of fertilizer, you waste. And remember, you want to save on the amount of money that you are using. Because our major point is to minimize the cost of inputs. So I would advise you to use urea replacement, which is more economical. And also it increases yields to up to a percentage of about 20%.
Yes, good.
Good. So can you show Evans how it's done?
Yes, I can show you in the farm how to replace the granules.
So, broadcasting fertilizer is expensive and pollutes the surrounding water systems. And not all the fertilizer reaches the plant, it is washed away. Using the urea deep placement system, the fertilizer is pushed into the soil by one plant and fertilizes the nearby plants and can be used sparingly and planted at intervals. This means it's not wasted and provides a slow release of nutrients to many plants at one time. Once Evans has harvested his rice, he takes it on a motorbike to the market. Here at Mwea Rice Mill, random samples are smelled to check the aroma. Next, it is tested for moisture content. It's then weighed and is guaranteed overpriced and given a receipt. The rice then goes next door for processing, where it's cleaned and polished. And it is eventually packed in bags ready for sale.